All right, everyone. We are going to take a look at Pepe, and it is red alert time for Pepe here. A couple of things to show you guys on Pepe. First off, from the low to the high here, we had a nice 382 bullish bounce here, and ultimately we got stuck again at the top at that 13.5. We did wick above it, of course, but just notice on the chart all the volume that came in here on this nice move to the upside, and you can see what has formed here. This is your flagpole. This is pretty much a textbook bear flag here. So nice flagpole, a nice flag, a nice volume that came in, and the decrease in volume here. So once the selling volume picks up here, this thing is going to fall off the table, in my opinion. So you may think that making these higher highs and potentially higher lows here, you can see that wick did break that low, that you do have that bullish market structure here, but you have formed almost a textbook bear flag here, with the timing, with the flagpole, with the volume. Everything is screaming that Pepe is about to fall off the table, in my opinion. So just keep an eye on the 200-day EMA you are sitting on right now. It just spawned in on the daily chart for Pepe here. If you take out that 11.5 area that you're on right now, you just fell below it at 11.4, then you're probably getting ready to break the bottom of this flag here. Ideally, you want these flags to play out in about a week or two. So the timing is almost perfect here. You're falling below the 200-day EMA, and I think you're about to crash and fall off the table on Pepe here. So if that is going to be the case, we can simply measure our flagpole move here and see a potential target for Pepe here. And you can see that if we just simply move this over here, you can see that that takes you down all the way to your 1272 here. So yeah, Pepe's about to crash here. It looks like it doesn't have to play out, of course. If we hold the 200-day EMA and we stay above the 382 at 10.7, then there is a chance that it's a false flag and you're just going to go back up off of a nice double bottom here on that 382. So if you're looking to watch a price on Pepe, watch 10.7. As long as you can stay above that, there's a chance you may go back up and break over 11.8 and then the top here at 13.5. But like I said, from what I'm seeing here, it's almost a textbook bear flag on the daily chart here. So if that flagpole is going to play out, you can see that Pepe is potentially going to drop. You can see all the way back down here to the bottom at 50%. Of course, it does not have to go all the way down to that flagpole, but you can see the bottom is 50, and then down to that 1272 here on Pepe at 4.1 for a new low is a 64% drop here down to 4.1. So with all that said, let me go ahead and get all of this stuff off the chart really quick here. And then we're going to zoom out to the 3-day chart here on Pepe and show you one more case to be bearish here, I guess, if you will, on Pepe. If we simply take and we draw a fib from the high here to the low, you can see the price of Pepe is smacking right into your 382 here at 12.9. So that is bearish on the macro scale from the high to the low, 382. Twice now you've gotten stuck. So there are a lot of bearish things happening on Pepe right now, and she may be getting ready to just completely fall off the table here and make a new low. So I just want you guys to be aware of that are invested in Pepe. Of course, none of this is financial advice. And if you could break over the 382 for some reason, hold those supports on that daily chart and break over this 12.9 or 13 level, then that flag, which you can also see here on the 3-day chart, would not play out, in my opinion. So we could potentially draw the same thing here, and you can see that's pretty much going to take you to a new low and potentially maybe just to the bottom. Like I said, it does not have to play out. But yeah, Pepe's in a bear flag, almost textbook, and it looks like she's about to come back down. And she may just come back down to the low. That's what I would watch for. If she does come back down to the low, that would be, potentially buying the bottom on Pepe. If Pepe comes down here and does something like this and we got a nice little bounce and we go sideways, you can clearly see that as a bottom, that is a floor for Pepe, and that would be the ideal price to get in before the next bull run and she goes vertical at some point. So hopefully that made sense. Not financial advice. Good luck, everyone, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.